In today's multi-cloud era, the top two priorities for businesses are, first, how do you control cloud sprawl and growing costs? And second, how do you accelerate data migrations to the cloud? Komprise now helps you manage both of these for your public cloud data. In this demo, I'll show how Komprise gives you visibility and insight into all your cloud data, forecasts your data management savings, automates your data's lifecycle management, and migrates data across clouds. Komprise addresses those two cloud business priorities using the same single pane of glass and simplicity that we offer for hybrid cloud data management. As one customer put it, Komprise tells me what's out there and how Amazon is currently being used. So let's start the demo and see how. Setting up Komprise in the cloud is very simple. Just sign up for our trial and provide the credentials for your cloud accounts. In this example, I can see all the buckets in my Amazon and Wasabi accounts. This really helped one customer who complained of bucket sprawl. Their IT didn't even know how many buckets they had, much less how much data was in them. After I point Komprise at my cloud storage, Komprise gives me analytics about my data. I can see a heat map of when data is being accessed, not only when it was modified, which cloud providers typically show. Data that hasn't been modified in a while might still be accessed often by users, so archiving based on last modified time risks putting hot data into a cheaper storage class that has a costly retrieval fee. Komprise provides more effective archiving based on when users actually last accessed the data. In the heat map, the colder the data, the deeper blue it is. You can see that a lot of my data in this example is pretty cold. It hasn't been accessed in 3 months or more. This data is a good candidate to archive to cheaper classes to save on storage costs. To archive the data, I configure the policies that I want, and Komprise shows my projected savings based on my actual AWS costs, not generic costs. As I change policies to investigate what-if scenarios, I can compare the savings between different policies. One customer told us they quickly identified millions of dollars of savings. I can also see how my costs break down across storage classes and over different time periods. This really helps me to understand what will happen as I manage my data better, and lets me show my management how we can control our cloud costs, since it's a top business priority. Komprise gives me further insights into the data we've got in the cloud. I can examine our cloud data by accounts, by buckets, and many other dimensions to see what kind of data we have and how much is hot and how much is cold, so I can plan our data management. Once I'm comfortable with my plan policies, I can activate the plan. Komprise will start automatically archiving data based on my policies, and I'll start seeing the savings as soon as my next month's bill. With Komprise Deep Analytics, I can search for specific data across my cloud storage, those needles in my haystacks. For example, one customer is searching for specific objects. They said they couldn't do this with other tools. Another customer is identifying cloud data that hasn't been accessed in over 5 years that they don't need, so they can take action and delete that data for immediate cost savings. A third customer is finding and tagging data by project and by group. This gives us a full understanding of the resources being utilized by projects and groups, they said. Data found by Deep Analytics can also be exported to AWS Lambda or other services to expand the uses of archived data. Komprise also provides high-performance cloud data migration. One customer is using Komprise to archive data in Wasabi and at the same time migrate a copy of the data to AWS Glacier Deep Archive, thereby creating a cloud resiliency policy. Cloud migration also ensures that your data won't be siloed in one cloud. You can easily copy it to where it's needed, unlocking new uses for archived data. In this short demo, I've shown you how Komprise can help you manage your cloud data. A current hybrid cloud customer looked at Komprise's cloud capabilities and within minutes saw value not only in the cost savings, but also from the automated ease of use compared to their existing tools, along with the depth of intelligence and reporting provided by Komprise. Contact Komprise today so you can get started.